Forget flagship phones. This is a collector's item built for the racetrack. This is the Redmi K90 Pro Max Lamborghini Champion Edition. In a move that combines high-performance smartphone specs with luxury automotive style, Xiaomi has introduced the Redmi K90 Pro Max Automobili Lamborghini Squadra Corse Champion Edition. This isn't simply a color variant of their flagship device, since it carries bespoke design cues, premium packaging, and custom software touches that celebrate the partnership with Lamborghini's racing arm. While the internal hardware mirrors the standard K90 Pro Max, this edition elevates the experience with exclusive materials, accessories, and an aesthetic that speaks to both tech enthusiasts and motorsport fans alike. The Champion Edition's design is where the collaboration truly shines. On the rear panel, the typical Redmi branding is replaced by the bold Lamborghini logo alongside Y-shaped racing stripes, evoking the Squadra Corse track heritage. These bold stripes are housed on an elegant white back surface. The large camera island also sees subtle changes with its shape and Redmi-branded speaker unit, so you get a premium finish with the same flagship tier specs. Beneath the surface, the Champion Edition brings more than just visual flair. The collaboration with Lamborghini is more than skin deep, as it brings software exclusives that further differentiate it from the standard Redmi K90 Pro Max. Users will find custom boot animations inspired by Lamborghini's racing DNA, special charging sequences that play out as you plug in, themed icons, exclusive wallpapers, and custom-built UI elements tailored to this edition. A Lamborghini badge demands the best performance, and Redmi delivered. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with the maxed-out 16GB of LPDDR5x RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Performance at this level needs control. It uses a massive 6,700mm² ice-sealed cooling system. This is the technology that keeps the frame rates high and the phone cool, even during extended racing sessions. The windshield is a stunning 6.9-inch 2K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It can hit an insane 3,500 nits of peak brightness. This screen is sharp, bright, and perfect for consuming any high-octane content. This is a first for the K series. Bose-tuned 2.1-channel speakers. You get two main stereo speakers plus an independent woofer on the back for deeper, richer bass. This is flagship audio. The camera system is equally powerful, a triple 50-megapixel array with a large main sensor and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. It's a flagship camera, period. It's built for detail, distance, and low-light capability. The massive 7,560 mAh silicon carbon battery offers exceptional longevity. The 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging speeds ensure quick power-ups. So, is it worth the premium over the standard K90 Pro Max? If you crave that top-tier, max-spec hardware, and you want a phone that is a genuine conversation starter, a physical statement of performance and exclusivity, then absolutely yes. This isn't just a phone, it's a trophy. The luxury finish, bespoke accessories, and exclusive software make this version more than just a priced-up variant. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.